Hello and welcome back to Peak Mind Nutrition. And today we're diving deep into a vitamin we all think we know, but might be underestimating. Vitamin C, is it just for colds? Or is there more to this powerhouse nutrient, especially when it comes to our minds? Let's find out together. So, what exactly is vitamin C? Officially known as ascorbic acid, it's a water-soluble vitamin. This means our bodies don't store it for long periods, so we need to get it regularly from our diet. Think of it as a daily necessity, not a one-time fix. It's an essential nutrient, which means our bodies can't produce it on their own. We absolutely have to get it from external sources, like food or supplements. Most of us immediately think of oranges when we hear vitamin C, and that's a great source. But the world of vitamin C is so much bigger. You can find it in abundance in bell peppers, especially the red ones, strawberries, kiwis, broccoli, and even leafy greens like kale and spinach. The key is to eat a colorful variety of fruits and vegetables. This not only ensures you get enough vitamin C, but also provides a wide range of other nutrients that work together. A vibrant plate is a healthy plate. Now, let's talk about why it's so crucial. The most famous role of vitamin C is as a powerful antioxidant. Imagine our bodies are like a city constantly under attack from tiny troublemakers called free radicals. These are unstable molecules that can damage our cells, leading to premature aging and a host of health problems. They come from everywhere: pollution, stress, and even normal metabolic processes. Antioxidants are our superheroes. They neutralize these free radicals, protecting our cells from damage. Vitamin C is one of the most effective and readily available of these protectors. This antioxidant power is also vital for our immune system. It encourages the production of white blood cells, which are our body's soldiers, fighting off infections. It also helps these white blood cells function more effectively and protects them from damage by, you guessed it, free radicals. So, while it might not be a magic cure for the common cold, having adequate vitamin C levels can certainly help your immune system be better prepared and potentially reduce the duration of an illness. Another major benefit is its role in collagen production. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our body. It's the structural glue that holds everything together: our skin, bones, tendons, and blood vessels. Without enough vitamin C, our bodies can't produce collagen effectively. This is why a severe deficiency, known as scurvy, leads to issues like bleeding gums and poor wound healing. For everyday health, it means vitamin C is essential for keeping our skin looking youthful and elastic, and for helping our bodies repair themselves after an injury. But here's where it gets really interesting for us at Peak Mind Nutrition: the connection between vitamin C and mental health. This is a topic that's gaining more and more attention in the scientific community, and for good reason. Our brain is an incredibly active organ, and it uses a lot of oxygen. This high metabolic rate means it's also highly susceptible to oxidative stress from those free radicals we talked about. Because vitamin C is such a potent antioxidant, it plays a critical role in protecting our brain cells from this damage. Think about it. A protected brain is a better functioning brain, but it goes even deeper. Vitamin C is directly involved in the synthesis of neurotransmitters. These are the chemical messengers that our brain cells use to communicate with each other. They control everything from our mood and focus to our sleep and motivation. Specifically, vitamin C is a cofactor for enzymes that produce norepinephrine and serotonin. Norepinephrine helps with alertness and concentration. Low levels can make you feel sluggish and unfocused. Serotonin is often called the feel-good neurotransmitter. It's crucial for regulating mood, anxiety, and happiness. In fact, many modern antidepressants work by increasing the levels of serotonin in the brain. By playing a part in creating these vital chemicals, vitamin C has a direct impact on how we feel mentally and emotionally. Some studies have even linked low vitamin C levels to increased feelings of fatigue and depression. So the big question is, are you getting enough? For most adults, the recommended daily amount is around 75 to 90 milligrams. That's roughly the amount in one large orange or a cup of strawberries. If you're eating a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables, you might be meeting this target. However, certain factors can increase your need for vitamin C. Smokers, for example, need significantly more because smoking depletes the body's vitamin C stores. People under a lot of physical or emotional stress also burn through it faster. This brings us to supplementation. Is it necessary? For many people, a healthy diet is sufficient. However, if you have a limited diet, are under high stress, or have conditions that affect nutrient absorption, a supplement could be a wise choice. It provides a reliable, concentrated dose to ensure your levels are optimal, supporting both your physical and mental well-being. When choosing a supplement, you'll see different forms, like ascorbic acid, or buffered forms like sodium ascorbate. which can be gentler on the stomach. It's always a good idea to chat with your healthcare provider to determine the right dose and form for your individual needs. Let's recap what we've learned. Vitamin C is a vital, water-soluble vitamin our bodies can't make. It's a powerhouse antioxidant that protects our cells, a cornerstone for a strong immune system, and essential for producing the collagen that keeps us strong and helps us heal. Most importantly for our focus here at Peak Mind Nutrition, it's a key player in brain health. It protects our brain from oxidative stress and is directly involved in producing mood-regulating neurotransmitters like serotonin and norepinephrine. Getting enough, whether through a colorful diet of fruits and vegetables or through smart supplementation, is a foundational step for supporting not just your physical health, but your mental clarity and emotional balance as well. It's amazing how something as simple as a vitamin can have such a profound and far-reaching impact on our overall well-being. It's a perfect example of how nourishing your body is directly linked to nourishing your mind. Thank you so much for joining me today on Peak Mind Nutrition. I hope this deep dive into vitamin C has been enlightening and empowers you to make even better choices for your health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on our future content. We're dedicated to bringing you practical, science-backed tips for your health and mental wellness. Until next time, stay healthy and stay sharp.